Sister Elizabeth is very agreeable.
Perfectly tolerable, I dare say. Not handsome enough to tempt me.
No matter, I doubt we shall ever speak again.
Elizabeth, looking for someone?
No. No, not at all. I was just admiring the general splendour. Did I just agree to dance with Mr. Darcy? Mr. Darcy? What on earth have you done to poor Mr. Darcy? I have no idea.
I ask you to end my agony.
I don't understand.
I love you. Most ardently.
You were the last man in the world I could ever be prevailed upon to marry.
Look at it.
You have insulted me in every possible way and can now have nothing further to say.